Well, today is the day. The Q50 is headed to the frame shop. He said it should be done in a couple days, but keep your fingers crossed, guys. I don't want this to be there for like 2 weeks, but if it needs to be, that's just what has to happen. So yeah, just waiting on a tow truck right now, and then they'll take it over there, and hopefully I'll hear back from the guy later today on what he thinks about the frame rails and fixing them and whatnot. But time to say goodbye to the Q50. Q50 needs to like rush at the frame shop because I am so excited to install all of these parts. All of these are going on the Q50, and there's even more back there. And I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, because like seeing it outside right now, just sitting there waiting for a tow truck is awesome. Because the GTR, as a lot of you know, took like 2 months to finally make a frame shop appointment. So I'm using the same frame shop that I used for the GTR because I love the work that they did. They did a really good job, and now I'm slowly building a relationship with them. So that's good. And I'm really out of breath because I just had to push the Q50 outside. So now that the Q50 is out of the shop, the NV and Julian's Maxima are in here. And what is going on today, Julian?
We're installing my coilovers and my wheels.
Heck yes. And if any of you guys are interested in getting your own Ksport Coilovers, I'm now a Ksport dealer. So send me a message or something if you want them. And this is Julian's first time installing coilovers, so I'm here to kind of assist, but I'll also eat all the food as Julian's doing stuff. So already he has gotten front suspension out, as you can see over there. This is like the easiest setup for installing coilovers. So the front's 2 bolts right here that go to the spindle assembly, and then one for the end link, and then this is the brake line bracket and the ABS little bracket, and then 3 nuts on the top in the engine bay, and the fronts are off. The rears, you pretty much just throw the coilover at it and it falls in place. So these don't come with preload on them like some coilovers do, and the ride damper adjustment is just this little pin that drops down in the top. Swear I just saw a mouse run by, but I didn't. I think lack of sleep. I've been up since 3 this morning. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna adjust the preload on these, and then, well, I guess not preload, the Nobori load, and then adjust ride height to hopefully not make him lay on the frame.
He wants to make me lay on the frame, that's why he's the one doing it, but
yeah. Julian's so excited for this. I want you to be like straight up slammed.
I want to be straight up slammed.
Okay, so yeah, montage action.
That compared to that,
Those things are huge.
yeah, they're like the ones that I wear on my Subaru. I don't think anyone on the channel knows about my Subaru.
What?
I don't think anyone on the channel knows about my Subaru.
Probably not unless they look at your Instagram.
Yeah, had a Subaru that I bought coils for, but then I didn't get to put in the coils because I crashed it, and it was basically totaled.
Tell him about that, Julian.
But what? I don't see anything. What do you mean? That right there?
Julian tried painting his.
I didn't try. I did paint them.
He did paint them, but he painted the brake, the backside of the brake pad, and then he painted his rotor as well.
I might get slotted rotors at one point. Like,
That's your motivation to
Yeah.
get them.
it is honestly, because with the wheels I'm gonna put on, that's gonna show a lot.
Yeah.
So. Did that get you? Did it get you?
That's why you wear your eye protection, kids. But at least now I have a sick battle wound. Check that out. Ugh! Okay, so because I hurt myself, I'm gonna go to the emergency room now. So I will see you guys on the next video. This is just a short update, but I think I'm losing more than enough blood. I need to go eat some cookies or donuts or something. So yeah, stay tuned for the install, which may or may not be on Julian's channel. Probably won't. It'll probably be here. So just come back for to see the finished product. And thank you for everything that you guys do in supporting me. Stay tuned for more content from the Q50 as it gets back from the frame shop soon. And I will see you guys on the next one.